Welcome to this comprehensive guide on automating Office 365 administration. In today's fast-paced IT environment, managing Microsoft 365 manually can be time-consuming and error-prone. This video is part of the PowerShell Cloud series, where you'll learn how to leverage automation to streamline your administrative tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce the burden of repetitive work. Whether you're new to Microsoft 365 administration or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will provide you with the foundational knowledge needed to understand and implement automation in your organization. Before diving into the technical details, let's understand why automation is crucial for Office 365 management. First, automation saves significant time by eliminating repetitive manual tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic initiatives. Second, it ensures consistency across your entire tenant by applying standardized configurations every time, reducing variations that can occur with manual processes. Third, automation enables you to scale your operations efficiently, making it possible to manage thousands of users and resources without proportionally increasing administrative overhead. Finally, automation reduces human errors that commonly occur during manual data entry or configuration changes, ensuring more reliable and predictable outcomes for your organization. Microsoft provides three primary tools for automating Office 365 administration, each with its own strengths and use cases. PowerShell is a command-line scripting environment that excels at advanced automation and bulk operations, giving administrators granular control over their environment. Power Automate offers a no-code approach with visual designers, making it accessible to users who prefer graphical interfaces for building automated workflows. The Microsoft Graph API is a REST-full API that enables developers to build custom integrations and applications that interact with Microsoft 365 services. Understanding when and how to use each of these tools is essential for creating an effective automation strategy. PowerShell is a powerful command-line shell and scripting language specifically designed for automating administrative tasks. For Office 365, PowerShell provides the most comprehensive control over your environment. Its key capabilities include performing bulk operations on multiple users or resources simultaneously, generating advanced reports with custom filtering and formatting, creating complex automation logic with conditionals and loops, and integrating with other systems and services. PowerShell is perfect for tasks requiring precision, complex logic, and capabilities that go beyond what graphical user interfaces can offer. It's the tool of choice for experienced administrators who need maximum flexibility and control. Power Automate takes a completely different approach to automation with its visual designer interface. It allows users to create automated workflows without writing any code, making automation accessible to a broader audience. The platform features a drag-and-drop interface where you can visually design your automation flows. It includes over 1,000 pre-built connectors to Microsoft services like Teams, SharePoint, and Outlook, as well as third-party applications. Power Automate also has built-in approval workflows, making it easy to automate business processes that require human decision-making. This tool is ideal for automating routine tasks, creating notification systems, and building approval processes without requiring programming expertise. The Microsoft Graph API represents the most flexible and developer-friendly approach to Office 365 automation. It provides a unified REST-full API endpoint that gives you access to all Microsoft 365 services and data through a single interface. Graph API is developer-friendly because it uses standard HTTP requests and JSON formatting, making it easy to work with from any programming language. Its cross-platform nature means you can access it from any platform or programming language that supports REST APIs, whether you're building web applications, mobile apps, or custom integrations. Graph API is the best choice when you need to build custom applications or integrate Microsoft 365 with external systems and services. Selecting the appropriate automation tool depends on your specific requirements and use cases. For bulk operations like modifying hundreds of users or managing licenses at scale, PowerShell and Graph API are your best options. When you need visual workflows with minimal coding, Power Automate is the ideal choice. If you're building custom applications that integrate with Microsoft 365, Graph API provides the most flexibility. For user approval processes such as document approvals or access requests, Power Automate's built-in approval features make it the clear winner. And for advanced scripting scenarios requiring complex logic and error handling, PowerShell remains the most powerful option. Understanding these distinctions will help you choose the right tool for each automation task. Let's explore some common scenarios where automation delivers significant value. User provisioning is one of the most time-consuming administrative tasks, but automation can handle account creation, license assignment, and group membership automatically. Email management becomes much simpler when you automate mailbox configuration, forwarding rules, and distribution list management. Reporting is another area where automation shines, as you can generate automated reports on usage patterns, compliance status, and security metrics without manual effort. Security policy deployment ensures that consistent security settings and compliance policies are applied across your entire organization at scale. These use cases represent just a fraction of what's possible with Office 365 automation. To ensure your automation initiatives are successful, follow these essential best practices. First, document everything. Maintain clear documentation of your scripts, workflows, and automation logic so that others can understand and maintain them. Second, test thoroughly. Always test your automation in a non-production environment before deploying to production to avoid unintended consequences. Third, implement proper error handling and notification systems so you're alerted when automation fails or encounters issues. Finally, monitor and optimize regularly. Review your automation performance periodically and make improvements based on actual usage patterns and feedback. These practices will help you build reliable, maintainable automation that delivers long-term value. Let's recap the key points from this guide. First, automation reduces manual work and improves consistency across your entire tenant, making administration more efficient and reliable. Second, you should choose the right tool based on your specific automation needs and technical expertise. PowerShell excels at bulk operations and advanced scripting. Power Automate is perfect for visual workflows and approvals, and Graph API is ideal for custom integrations and applications. Third, regardless of which tool you use, always test your automation thoroughly, maintain comprehensive documentation, and monitor your processes continuously. By following these principles and understanding the strengths of each automation tool, you'll be well equipped to transform your Office 365 administration and deliver significant value to your organization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.